Hello viewers, today I was telling about can't hear Instagram videos on. For that, you can long press on your Instagram account. After that, you can click on app info, and here we have the notification. Just click on that and on all the notifications. Here you need to on all the notifications, and you need to click on additional settings in the app, post messages, stories, comments, and that you need to click on push all that, and after that come back and scroll it down, click on app details. If your Instagram not in update means just update it and increase your volume of all of them, and storage and cache. If any issues means just clear out it, sort out it, and go to permissions, microphone, click on the microphone, allow all that, and notifications and phone calls and video devices, just all it on, and go to Instagram and click on search bar of seeing for any Instagram video. I found one video. We are not hearing the sound. Just click on here like this. Sometimes happen. So click on here. You will able to hear the sound of Instagram reels. Thank you.